Hello students, we are doing chapter number 4 playing with numbers and today we will start exercise 4.4. In this exercise you have to find out the highest common factor. In short we can say SCF for the given number. SCF means from name only you can guess highest common factor. Means you have to find out the common factor and which should be highest. So numbers will be given and then you have to find out the SCF for that. For this we have two methods. First method is prime factorization method. First we will discuss this one, and another method is division method. So for example here I have taken one question. Find SCF of 24 and 14. So first we are following this method, prime factorization method. So for this you have to do the prime factor of both the numbers. So first number is 24. Do the prime factor. For prime factorization always use prime number. Start with 2 because it is an even number. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then again with 2, 2 6s are 12. Then again it will go by 2, 2 3s are 6 and then 3 1s are 3. Then next same thing you have to do for the second number. This is also an even number, so we will start with 2, 2 7s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. Next step you have to write the factors like this. 24 factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and 14 factors are 2 into 7. Then we have to select here highest common factor. So whatever number is common in both, that you have to circle. Sometime you will get one number, sometime you will get two number or three number. It depends on numbers to number. So here only 2 is the common factor here, and this is only the highest common factor. Next method is division method. So for the same number we will follow this method. For this method always what you have to do, divide the bigger number from the smaller number. So from 24 and 14, 24 is the bigger number. So 24 we will divide by 14. So first it will go 14 1s are 40. Then after subtraction you will get 10 here. After complete division, now this remainder you have to keep like this, and this 14 you have to shift here. This divisor will become dividend. You have to shift it here and remainder will become divisor. Now from 10 again divide this 14. 10 1s are 10. Then 4 will come. Again you have to follow the same step. Now 4 will become divider and this 10 will come here. It will become dividend. Then again we will do 4 2s are 8. Then we are getting remainder here too. Now this 4 we have to shift here. And again we have to do 2 2s are 4. This process we have to follow until we will not get 0 as remainder. So continuously we have to follow this process. When you will get remainder 0, that time you have to stop. And this final number, this will be the SCF of the given number. So here SCF is 2. If you follow first method or second method, answer will be same. So when you are doing question, that time first you have to see which method is mentioned. If it is mentioned find SCF with prime factorization method, it means you have to follow the prime factorization method. If it is mentioned find SCF with division method, then you have to follow division method. And if no method is mentioned, then you are free to follow any method. Whatever you will feel easy, that method you can follow. Now we will do exercise 4.4. First question, find SCF by prime factorization method. So here method is mentioned prime factorization. So we will go for the prime factorization method. First part 28 and 36. Do the factor of 28. 2 14 times it will go. Then again 2 7 times and 7 1 time. Same thing you have to do for 36 also. 2 18s are 36, then 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Then you have to write the factors. 28 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7. And 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now next step you have to find out the SCF, means common factors. So 2 is common in both the number. Again one more 2 is common in both the numbers. So answer is here 2 into 2, 4. Second part, 54, 72 and 90. So first do the factor of 54. With 2 divide it, you will get 27. Then 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. After that next number is 72. 2 36 times, 2 18 times, 2 9 times and 3 3s are 3 1s are. Then same thing you have to do for 90. 2 45 times, then 3 15 times, again 3 5 times and 5 1s are 5. Then write the factor. 54 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. And 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Next you have to write the common factor now. So select the common number. You can see 1 2 is there in all the 3 number. So 1 2 we will write. After that 3 you can see 1 3 here, 1 3 is here and 1 3 is here. So 3 is also there. One more 3 is there here. This one and here also. In all the 3 number we have to take common. So one more 3. 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3 6 and 6 3 18 is SCF here. Third part, 105, 140 and 175 is given. So first we will do for 105. It will go with 5 table because end is with 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Now 21 it will go with 3. 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. 140. It will also go with 5 because end is 0. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 8s are 40. Then next you can do with 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. Again with 2. 2 7s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. Now 175. This number also will go with 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. So we have 105 is equal to 5 into 3 into 7. 140 is equal to 5 into 2 into 2 into 7. And 175 is equal to 5 into 5 into 7. So SCF will be, you can see 1 5 is common in all the 3 number. And here 1 7 is also common in all the 3 number. So SCF is 5 into 7, which is equal to 21. Next question number 2, find SCF by division method. So for this we have to follow division method. First write number in order, smaller number first and bigger number second place. Now bigger number we have to divide by smaller number. So 198 and 429 we have to divide with 198. It will go 2 times. 198 to the 396. Then after subtraction you will get here 3 and again 3. Now this 198 you have to shift here. Now with 33 we will divide 198. 33 6 ja. 33 6 ja 198. It will go completely. So here what we are getting at last here, this one 33. It means 33 is SCF here. SCF is equal to 33. Second part 20, 64 and 104. For 3 number, first we will do for 2 numbers, then we will take third number. So first 64 we will divide with 20. 23 is 60. Then 4 will come remainder. Shift 20 here. And 4 5 is 20. So here at last we are getting 4. Now with this 4 and this another number we will start. We have to divide this another number by 4. 4 2 is 8. 2 and then take it down 4 this here. 4 6 is 24. After complete division, if you are getting 0 down, then you have to stop. Then SCF is here 4. If suppose you are getting remainder, then again you have to follow the same process. Next third part, 3 numbers are given 120, 144 and 204. So we'll take first starting 2 number. We will divide 144 by 120. So it will go 1 time. Then remainder is 24. Now this 120 we will shift here. 24 5 is 120. Now 204 we will divide with this 24. So 204 divide with 24. 24 8 times it will go. 24 8 is 192. So subtract it. You will get 2 here, 1 here. Because we are getting here remainder, so we will follow the same process. Now this 24 will shift here. 12 2 is 24. At last we are getting remainder 0. It means this number 12 is SCF here. So SCF is equal to 12. Next question number 3. Fill in the blank. First part, SCF of 2 consecutive natural numbers is. So we have to find it. This we will do with the help of example. We will take any example. Suppose 2 consecutive. Consecutive means continuous. 2 number we have to take. We have taken 4 and 5. So find out the SCF for 4 and 5. Any method you can follow. Suppose division method we are following. 4 1 is 4. Then 1 and this 4 will shift here. 1 4 is 4. So here we are getting SCF is 1. So this condition is applicable for all the consecutive natural numbers. So here we will write 1. Second part, SCF of 2 consecutive odd numbers. So we have to take here odd numbers. Suppose 3 and 5. Both are odd number and both are coming in continuity. Find SCF for 3 and 5. 3 1 is 3. Then 2 you will get again. 2 1 is 2. Then 1 and 1 2 is 2. So finally here also we are getting SCF as 1. So for 2 odd numbers also SCF will be 1. Now third case we have when 2 consecutive even numbers are there. So 2 even number we will take, for example 2 and 4. Both are even number and both are in continuity. We will find out SCF for this. So 2 2 is 4. First step only it has gone. So SCF is here 2. You can check with any other example also. In that one also you will get the same answer. So for 2 consecutive even numbers SCF will be 2. Next question number 4. Find the greatest number which can divide 257 and 329 so as to leave a remainder 5 in each case. So because here remainder is 5. So if we remove this remainder, then remaining number will be exactly divisible by the number. So we can write here 257 minus 5. You will get 252. And this another number also, because in both the case remainder is 5. So from both the number we will less 5. You will get 324. Therefore 252 and 324 will be exactly divisible by number. So now that number we have to find out, and which greatest number. Greatest means highest number we have to find out. It means we have to find out here SCF. So we can follow any method, but if you have big numbers, always use division method, because in this you will take less time. So we will divide big number 324 by 252. It will go one time. Subtract it, 4 minus 2, 2, and 12 minus 5, 7. Then this 252 you have to shift here. Then from 72 you have to divide it. It will go 72 3 times we can take, 3 2 6 and 3 7 21. Then again subtract it, 12 minus 6 6 and 4 minus 1 3, 36 you will get. Again this 72 shift here. Then 36 2 is 72. So finally we got here 0. It means the resulting number is 36. Next, question number 5. Find the largest number that will divide 623, 729, 841, leaving remainder 3, 9 and 1 respectively. So this is also similar type of question like 4, but here remainder is different. For first number remainder is 3, for second number 9 and for third number 1. So it means if these remainders we will remove from this, then the remaining number will be exactly divisible by the greatest number. So here first we will subtract remainder. 623 minus 3 means 620. 729 minus 9, 720, and 841 minus 1 is 840. You have to subtract in same order, 3, 9 and 1. So this is for first, this is for second number, and this is for the third number. So therefore these three numbers will be exactly divisible by that number which we have to find out. So number we have to find out the largest number, largest common factor we have to find out. So we will find out here 620, 720 and 840 SCF. So long division method we will find out. We will use here 720, first divide by 620. 620 1 ja 620, 100 you will get as remainder, 620 shift here, then 100 6 ja 600, 20, then 100 you shift here, 2 5 ja 100. Now at last we are getting 20. This 840 divide by 20. First we will completely divide. 24 ja 80. Then 4 you will get, again take out 0, take it down 0, and then 22 ja 40. After complete division, if you are getting remainder, then you have to follow the same process, otherwise you have to stop here. Therefore the number is here 20. Next question number 6. Meenu purchased 2 bags of rice of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of rice exact number of times. So here you can see the keyword will be there, maximum value. Maximum means highest. It means you have to find out the SCF here. So first we will find out the SCF for these two numbers, 75 kg and 69 kg. We will use division method here. First divide bigger number by smaller number. 69 1 ja 69. 15 minus 9 is 6. Then shift this 69 here. Divide completely first. 6 1 ja 6. 9 again 6 1 ja 6. Then remainder is 3 here. Now shift this 6 here. Then it will go 3 2 ja 6. Now it has completely gone. It means the SCF is here 3. Therefore, maximum value of weight will be 3 kg. Next question number 7. 3 tankers contain 403 liter, 434 liter and 465 liter of diesel respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel of 3 container exact number of time. So here also keyword is there maximum. Maximum means highest. It means we have to find out the SCF for these 3 number. So first we will find out SCF 403. Divide 434 by 403. It will go one time. Then shift 403 here and again divide it completely. 31 1 ja 31. 3 and 9. Then 31 3 ja 93. Now with this 31 divide this third number. 465 divide with 31. 31 1 ja 31. 5 1 and take this 5 down. Then 31 5 ja 155. So it has gone completely. It means SCF is here 31. Therefore the maximum capacity container is will be 31 liter. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching.